the door is finishing assembly, like two sides of the door and there's in front of the door right here. So now we open it, and next I'm gonna show you how to operate this super mini 3D printer. And before to show you how to operate, there is one point I want to mention on that for this super mini printer. It's very special one design. Is this is the platform for the model. You can see that this is a soft magnet design. Soft magnet. First is soft, second is magnet. Let me show you like this. It's a magnet, so it's very easy for you to take out the models from the printer. So this is the special one. Okay, we are putting the magnet platform. Alright, okay, we begin how to operate. First, power on. Power on the machine. You can see the touch colorful screen is on light. Right here we can see the tool, the system, and the printer. First, I'm gonna show you how to to print, and I have to make sure that this platform runs very well. So here we go, tool, and the menu. All right, we have, you can see here we have a 0.1 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 10 millimeter, right? So I choose, this means the move distance, like x left, x right, y up, y down, and z line, z axis. So here I choose the 10 millimeter for the moving distance. Alright, I'm gonna show you. First, let's check out the x. You can see that? You can see that. Alright, now we go to the y axis. So these steps is make sure the noisy, the XYZ axis goes very well, like XZ. Like ZX. Alright, for now I move on the ZX, up, and Z, and the X ice, Y ice. Alright, anyway, so that means this XYZ ice runs very well, so we can turn back. And now we will preheat the nozzle. So we choose this one, and here I want to say that normally we can set up the temperature of the nozzle is 180 degree, and but we can set up in much more higher temperature, like 210. So let's turn on. Here we can see the number of the temperature of the nozzle is up, right? So when the temperature gets the 180 degree or gets the 200 degrees, that means the nozzle preheat is over. That means we can fulfillment the filament. Okay. This process takes like 1 minute. So we can see the number is almost got 180 degrees. That's all. So we back, and next we will feeding the filament. And here I'm gonna show you how to feeding the filament. Here you can see here is a small hole. It's very easy for you to put the filament in the small hole. Directly put in the small hole. It's very easy. Alright? And I'm gonna show you here and this one. See that? You guys see that? See, the white color filament is come down. So that means the feeding filament process is finished. So let's turn back. Okay, right now we can print the SD files as you want, and here we have the SD card. You can see here is the SD cards. Here is some different many designs. Anyway, I pick up any one to print. I pick this one, and here we go. Oh fuck, something.